You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say thank you in Italian, but a stronger thank you than just a thank you? It'd be more like thank you very much. How do you say thank you very much in Italian? Grazie. That's your first word here, meaning thank you. Grazie. Mille. Mille literally means 1,000, so it's like 1,000 thank yous. Okay, so if you want to really make sure you show you're very grateful, grazie mille. Grazie mille is how the Italians say it. Or if you cannot speak Italian perfectly, you can say it as grazie mille. Grazie mille. Or in Italian again, let's listen and hear it again. Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Ciao ciao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.